It's a beautiful day. Bike's done. I'm like still taking it in. I haven't even like really stared at it in the sun. I'm literally like bullshitting until my friend comes. Hopefully he's on the Harley. Like if he brings that R1, I'm gonna be frustrated, but he'll probably be copyright central today. Oh, this is a nice little... We'll just practice here. Oh man, I'm addicted to that feeling, being up there at 12. The beautiful feeling, mate. Beautiful. Oh, I love this bike. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. Beautiful. Damn, Brittany, go ahead, Brittany. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Whoa, where's my man's at? I'm hot, but the things we got to do. High key wanna road glide. It's not low key, it's high key. Like the second you bring up Harleys, I'm like, yep, I love it. It's funny, it's like a couple years ago, I would be like, no. I remember literally riding my first one and I was like, I get it. Like I literally got off that bike and I was like, oh my gosh. That's so loud! He got his speakers done. My goodness. I think he's got like 8 speakers in that. As soon as I bought this bike, a few of you guys instantly like DM'd me and was like, you better be going bold. And I was like, damn, like I've never been pressed to like pick something more than that. But moral of the story is I like searched far and wide for a freaking graphics kit. My full like opinion on their graphics, because I've worked with vinyl. I'm by far not a professional, but I feel like I have somewhat of a good idea. This vinyl, because I think I got the holographic glitter, was a little bit... Because I got the holographic glitter, it was like a little bit thicker. Because I got the holographic glitter, it was a lot thicker than I thought, but it still laid really freaking good. Almost mousetrapped. Put it in a salt, alright. Yeah, that's how I feel. Dude, here's my car. Oh man, this bike's awesome. Woo! Sounds so good. Hey yo! Hey, yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. Turn up. Water's on me. I don't drink, so like, water's on me. Don't mind if I do. Damn, it is so bright out. I love it. Oh boy, look at that. That looks so good. Golly. Oh, that breeze feels so good. I'm gonna follow with y'all. Damn, they still up there. My pants never stay on straight. They're just like, woo! Oh, come on, let's hit the corner. We got it. No panic. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Oh, got it. Oh, the boot.